Deep within the vibrant tapestry of the Amazon rainforest, a creature of remarkable beauty makes its home. This is the Corallus battesi, more commonly known as the parrot snake. Its scales shimmer with a brilliance that rivals the most exquisite gemstones. The parrot snake is a true marvel of nature. This serpent is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. The parrot snake is a master of camouflage. Its scales blend seamlessly, with the dappled sunlight filtering through the rainforest canopy. This camouflage is essential for its survival. It allows the parrot snake to ambush unsuspecting prey with deadly precision. The parrot snake's beauty is not merely superficial. It serves a vital purpose in the intricate web of life that makes up the rainforest ecosystem. As a predator, the parrot snake plays a crucial role in regulating populations of rodents and other small animals. The parrot snake is found throughout the tropical rainforests of South America. Its range extends from the lush Amazon basin to the foothills of the Andes Mountains. Within these diverse habitats, it is most commonly found in the Amazon rainforest. This vast and ancient ecosystem is a haven for countless species of plants and animals. The parrot snake's name is no accident. Its vibrant green scales, often adorned with intricate patterns of yellow, orange, and red, bear a striking resemblance to the plumage of parrots. This resemblance is not merely coincidental. Scientists believe that the parrot snake's coloration may have evolved as a form of mimicry. By mimicking the appearance of parrots, the snake may be able to deter potential predators. Many animals in the rainforest have learned to avoid the sharp beaks and claws of parrots. The parrot snake is an arboreal species, meaning it spends the majority of its life in trees. Its slender body and prehensile tail are perfectly adapted for navigating this three-dimensional world. The snake's scales provide excellent grip, allowing it to climb with ease. The parrot snake's arboreal lifestyle is reflected in its hunting strategies. Unlike some snakes that actively pursue their prey, the parrot snake is an ambush predator. It lies in wait among the branches, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting victim to wander within striking distance. The parrot snake's diet consists primarily of small mammals, birds, and lizards. Once it has secured its prey, the parrot snake uses its powerful muscles to constrict its victim, suffocating it before swallowing it whole. The silent hunter of the night. As the sun begins its descent and the rainforest floor is cloaked in shadow, the parrot snake awakens from its slumber. This nocturnal predator is well suited to life in the dark. Its large eyes are highly sensitive to light, allowing it to see clearly even in the dimmest conditions. Under the cover of darkness, the parrot snake begins its nightly hunt. It moves silently through the branches, its movements almost imperceptible. Its prey, unaware of the danger lurking nearby, continues about its business, oblivious to the silent predator stalking it. The parrot snake's nocturnal habits are not only advantageous for hunting, they also help it to avoid the intense heat of the rainforest during the day. By remaining inactive during the hottest hours, the snake conserves energy and avoids overheating. Guardians of the rainforest balance. The parrot snake, with its dazzling colors, is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest. This unique ecosystem is facing unprecedented threats from deforestation and climate change. The parrot snake plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. As a predator, it helps control populations of its prey. Protecting our planet and its incredible diversity is crucial.